This video is about ways to help you enforce trading discipline. Hello, I'm Peter Martin with Trading 212. Now you probably already know that it's a good idea to try and remove emotion when trading and to be disciplined. It's no good having an excellent trading plan if you don't have the discipline to stick with it after all. But saying let's strip out the emotion, let's have some discipline when trading is easier said than done. So how do we go about it? Well, in this video I'm going to try and present a few ideas for ways that are simple but actionable to try and add a little bit of extra discipline to your trading. The first idea is to write your trading plan down. First of all, actually the process of codifying your trading plan on paper may help you to spot flaws in the trading plan. But more than that, by actually explicitly stating your trading levels that you're going to abide by and having them there in black and white when you're sitting at your trading terminal can help you to stick with the trading plan. So write down what are your goals, what are your target levels, what are going to be your exit levels if things go wrong, and then have that in front of you when the market approaches those levels where you might normally waver. Actually having down what your intentions were pre-stated may help you to stick with it. And if you find that you're still having a tough time sticking with getting out of those exit levels when things go wrong, why not use a stop loss and let the stop loss take you out of the position, let the stop loss enforce the discipline for you. If you find it's difficult to keep your profits going, holding a position open when the market's going in your favor and you're tempted to just snatch at those profits, it might be an idea to consider using a stop that you trail up with the market as it moves in your favor, and use that as an alternative way of exiting a position that is in profit. And I've said before that it's a good idea to trade within your size, to trade at a comfortable level. There is clearly a correlation for most people between the size of their trade and how emotional they are about that position. So if you're going to err on the side of trading too large or err on the side of trading a little bit smaller, I would suggest that it's probably a good idea to err on the side of trading a little bit smaller, just to keep the trade comfortable for you. It'll allow you to think a little bit more rationally about what to do with that position. Another idea is to keep a spreadsheet of all your trades, and in that do you keep the entry levels, the exit levels, your profits or losses for each individual trade, and revisit this on a regular basis, say once a month, and then look at what was your biggest individual profit throughout the course of the month and bear that magnitude of profit in mind and use it as a yardstick, as motivation to stay on top of your losses. If you see a position is running a loss and it's starting to get a bit out of control, it's getting anywhere near what was the biggest profit you made from the previous month, then you know that you need to shut that down and just use that as a way to give you that extra bit of discipline to stay on top of those losses. Also go through and just look whether there are any really horribly bad trades, ones where just you took a very big loss, and go back and perform a kind of autopsy of the trade to see what went wrong. Was it because there was something inherently wrong with your trading plan that needs to be tweaked, or was it something to do that you didn't follow what was in the trading plan and therefore it was to do with lack of discipline? If it was to do with lack of discipline, then you can see in front of you, this is what it's costing me to be ill-disciplined, and I need to learn from my mistakes and improve in this area going forward. And if you didn't result in this loss from making a mistake in terms of lack of discipline, then just put the loss behind you. Don't allow it to affect you emotionally going forward. So those are just a few ideas for ways that might help you to add a little bit of discipline to your trading. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button and give us a like. Or if you've got any feedback or suggestions for future topics for us to cover, why not send us a message in the comments section? We do read through every message we receive there. And as well as doing these tutorial style videos, we also do videos with analysis of popular markets such as Euro versus US dollar, crude oil and gold. And the best way to access all that video content is to click on the subscribe button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And we do put out new videos on a regular basis. If you hit the alarm bell icon, then you'll get a notification the next time we upload a new video to YouTube. But that's all for this time from me, Peter Martin, and Trading 212. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.